हे भगवान, कब मेरा बच्चा अंग्रेजी में बात करेगा पता नहीं। जल्द से जल्द सीख जाए वो बस। What? Your kid doesn't speak in English? Dear parent, you need to put in some serious hard work for him, cause English is life, man. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Momtastic Life with Reshma. The world that we are living in today, here presentation matters a lot and communication resides at the heart of any presentation. Language plays a very important role in order to convey and communicate your message correctly. But which language? Your mother tongue? It could be anything that you normally speak at your homes. The national language Hindi or the international language English in this case, which is also a globally accepted language of communication.
As a matter of fact, there are 6,000 languages spoken all across the globe, English being one of those top 10 languages. And we also understand it is the need of the time to communicate and to understand and comprehend the language. Hence, the importance is attached to it.
But we really need to rethink upon this thing. क्या हम सच में चाहते हैं कि हमारे छोटे बच्चे स्पेशली इस भाषा में बात करना सीखें या इस भाषा को बोलना सीखें? और is it just the peer pressure that we are diverting from us towards our kids? Let's find out in the video today. Stay tuned. हम आगे बढ़ेंगे आज के डिस्कशन में with reference to two major reference points. The first one being the background of the kid. Now we all have to agree that all of the kids and children learn the essence of any language firstly and foremostly from their homes. So if your children are exposed to the language, if your children are normally talked to in this language, in English in particular, then they will definitely learn it. And if not, the kids are not exposed to the language, then also they are going to learn it a bit late though. यहाँ पे मैं अपना ही example देना चाहूंगी. Because the place that I come from is a very small district in Maharashtra, I had very less exposure to the English language in my childhood days. We used to speak only in our mother tongue at our homes. So yes, but eventually and gradually I picked up the language. So looking at my own example, I have one lesser reason to worry about why my son is not speaking in full-fledged fluent English as of now. I am sorted. Second major reference point in this discussion is schools. स्कूल्स पे आजकल बहुत ही भारी से जिम्मेदारी हम पेरेंट्स ने दी हुई है कि हमारे बच्चे को इंग्लिश तो आप ही सिखाएंगे. And the prices, the fees that we are paying to these schools these days, especially to the private school these days, is literally bomb. So don't worry, आपके बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं and they are ultimately going to learn the language. अभी वो लिखना समझना सीख लेंगे. Some days later, they'll start speaking in the language too. So just don't worry. So my dear parents, friends, it's actually very high time now that we realize that English is just a language like any other language. There's literally no need to gaga or go crazy over the language. Just get off the buzz from it. The kids, the children are amazingly quick learners. They are going to learn this thing too, right? So if your kid is one of those kids who speak in fluent English, very good, good to go. But if अगर आपका बच्चा बात नहीं कर रहा है, still it's even better because in this case the chances are high that your kid knows his or her native language, national language, which in my opinion is highly appreciable. So parents, let's teach our kids to be vocal and opinionated and not remain confined to a particular language which is not even ours. Thank you for watching. That was all for today's video. Stay home, stay safe.